Okay, those of you looking to add a little bit of convenience to your vehicle want to do a relatively simple addition. There is this DeeZee Tailgate Kit. It's very easy to install, and I'll show you how it works here. See that? Everyone's always juggling stuff trying to get the tailgates down with things in your hands, and that there makes it nice and easy and smooth. It's relatively easy to install. All you really need to do, the hardest thing is probably this, installing this ball right here. The hole already exists, you don't have to drill it. Make sure they give you all the tools to put this flare nut in there. Make sure you follow instructions and do the proper number of turns. Mark it as they show, it really helps. After that, you just basically remove this bolt, install this plate behind it, and install the bolt back in. And then you pop on this piece onto that ball. You pop the shock onto here. They give you a clip to install on this cable to help guide the cable when you're closing the gate between here and the side of the bed. And for me, it just bound up. And they give you a piece of clear mylar to put on here, and it just tore that up. I tried several different things, and then finally I settled here on a piece of that 3M Scotch-Brite clear bra stuff they use for those clear bras on the front of the cars to prevent chips. Seems to work pretty good, and the cable kind of guides itself into the spot without binding up, so I don't think there's any need for that. Some people will go in, take this off, reach in there and put a lock down on the back side of that flare nut, the bolt that goes in the flare nut, but I didn't do that. We'll see how long it lasts without it. That's about it. Very simple and easy.